All right, this is going to be a great video because we're going to be diving into our omnipresent retargeting strategy and how you can get in front of people on every platform to make sure that you're staying in front of them and actually getting more conversions. Now, you guys know I'm a huge proponent of YouTube ads, and I absolutely love YouTube ads to get leads coming in, and then also retargeting people on YouTube. It's such low-hanging fruit. But what I firmly believe as well is that you should retarget people everywhere. So yes, YouTube's the best place to get people to come in. We've made plenty of videos talking about that. But you should have your retargeting campaigns everywhere. YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, AdRoll, Twitter, Google Display, basically everywhere. You want to blanket the internet with your company, your face, your brand to get people to remember you again and again. Now, if you guys are in my retargeting, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about here, but it just really increases that awareness and how much goodwill you have with your potential clients, especially when you're providing value and content and education in some of your retargeting ads. So that's what we're going to be diving into in this video. Is we're going to talk about our Omnipresent Retargeting Machine, how YouTube ads incorporates into that, how we're doing some cutting edge things in the industry right now with our Omnipresent Retargeting Machine and our campaigns. And that's what we're going to be diving into. This is actually a recent AMA question where people asked me, they were talking about how they saw me all the time on multiple platforms, and I wanted to dive into our omnipresent retargeting strategy, and that's where we're going to hit right now. Why do you need to become omnipresent in your marketing? What's so special about omnipresent retargeting machines? You guys probably heard me talk about the omnipresent retargeting machine. This is something that we're incorporating with our inner circle clients, which are higher tier clients. Obviously, our main program dives into YouTube ads. We build that out. That is the first step, as we talked about earlier, getting your YouTube ads up and running, getting consistent leads, clients, sales coming in through YouTube ads. But once you have that, you want to build onto that. You want to make sure that you're reaching people everywhere and you're being omnipresent. So what we found is as people go through our process, they get lots of leads that come in, they get lots of sales. We start to set up some retargeting on YouTube, but then you want to set up more retargeting. You want to make sure that you're reaching people everywhere so that you're getting in front of the right people at the right time, and you're just reaching them again and again. And so on YouTube, what we could do is we could set up our retargeting ads. So then every time they go onto YouTube, you appear in front of different videos. You're getting in front of their face. The beauty with the YouTube retargeting is, when you're getting in front of these videos, you know how we talked about on YouTube, you only pay if somebody watches 30 seconds or more of your ad? Those same rules apply for your retargeting ads. So imagine if you're only paying if somebody watches 30 seconds of your retargeting ad. You could pop up again and again, and maybe you're seeing me pop up, in your retargeting ads, again and again. And if somebody skips that ad, you don't pay for it, but they still have seen your face. So it's getting your face out there. Somebody's already opted in, but then you can be everywhere. So this is what you want to build into. So you have your YouTube ads. That's bringing in the high quality leads that turn into sales. Obviously, you can send them, whether it's to a webinar, to a training, to a funnel, to an email list, and then obviously getting them to purchase something, whether it's a course or product, or maybe you're getting them on the phone, you're getting them to buy, whatever that next step is. But you want to constantly retarget people once they've signed up to push to that next step, to push to a purchase, to push to a course purchase, to push to booking a call. So they constantly see that again and again. And you also want to show testimonials strategically, content strategically. So you're basically building the brand that you have in their mind with the people that are retargeted. And so, if they see a testimonial and they're like, okay, I've seen a testimonial, then they see some content, they keep seeing you as the expert. Then you have a call to action where you say, okay, go ahead and book a call, or go ahead and purchase, this, whatever it happens to be, program, course, whatever. Then people are going to take action and go there. And so essentially what you want to do is have this omnipresent retargeting, reaching people on every platform. So YouTube we use, but then we're also retargeting people, yes, on Facebook, right? Because you want to keep reaching those same people. Now, obviously, you guys know my stance on Facebook for cold traffic. And these days we do a little bit of it. Obviously, YouTube is our bread and butter. That's what we do. And that's where we're scaled up the most. The same thing with our clients. A lot of our clients are switching like 80% of their budget over to YouTube. I mentioned a couple clients that had recently done that. Obviously, Ahmad had done that in the past, switching over to YouTube. But when you're retargeting, you want to retarget people everywhere. So you want to retarget people on YouTube, of course, it's low-hanging fruit. You only pay if they watch 30 seconds, but you also want to retarget on Facebook. So you can see them on Facebook. And you guys are probably seeing some of my retargeting ads that bet you didn't expect to see me here. It's kind of a funny one, but you can have your own version of that and just seeing people. Also, you don't have to tell people why you're advertising on Facebook. You know, unlike me, right? I have to say like, hey, I want to be everywhere. I want to be omnipresent. But for you, you could just be everywhere and just have that be natural. And then you can also be on Google Display. So those are image ads. So now when somebody goes to a website, you're blanketing the whole site with your face and reminding people to book a call, reminding people to see testimonials. Also on YouTube, you're running discovery ads. So the ads I talked about earlier on in this video, I was talking about ads where you're able to pop up alongside other videos where you can click it and then it feels like they naturally found it, but it's really a retargeting ad, it's a discovery ad. So just constantly getting in front of people everywhere that way. And essentially getting in front of the right people with your omnipresent retargeting. You can also run LinkedIn. There's some Jedi stuff we can do as well. You can even send messages on LinkedIn as a retargeting ad, which is kind of hilarious. And that's one of the things that we do, and obviously appearing in the feed there. There's just so many different platforms that you can use to be omnipresent, and that's how you stay top of mind. That's how you get the most people going into your funnel and get the most results and conversions. I hope you found this video valuable. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube ads for your own business, check out all the links down below. We have a link to our YouTube ads webinar where we dive into exactly how YouTube ads work for your business. We also have a version of our webinar specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators that shows you how to build an infinite pipeline of high ticket clients. So just choose the webinar that works best for you. And if you are ready to schedule a call with our team to walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can be implemented into your own business, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply. The link's right down there in the description to schedule a call with our advising team to learn a little bit more about your business, your current marketing, walk you through YouTube ads, see if that's a good fit. And if it is a good fit, we'll map out exactly what that can look like in your business. Also down below, we have links to some case studies, testimonials. So take a look at that below as well. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we have a new video on YouTube ads and marketing. And also join our Facebook group below as well so that you can actually get access to free trainings, content, and resources. It's another great hub for you to access everything YouTube ads. So thank you for watching. All the links will be right down there in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.